Dear students, today we will discuss about multiplication of binomials. It is worksheet 3, chapter number 6, algebraic expressions. Let us take some example. One binomial is given, that is a plus b, and second binomial is there c plus d. We have to find their product. So in this case, a plus b into c plus d, we multiply the first term with the second binomial and then second term with the second binomial, that is a into c plus d plus b into c plus d. So in this case, a into c plus a into d. Same way, b into c plus b into d. It is equal to ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Similarly, we can also multiply the second binomial with the first. In this case, we multiply the second binomial with the first. So there is second binomial is there c plus d. We multiply c by a plus b and then d by a plus b. So in this case, a plus b into c and a plus b into d. When we multiply c by a, so it is ac plus bc, and then ad plus bd. It is equal to ac plus bc plus ad plus bd. Now we can arrange it according to equation 1, that is ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Both equations are same, so we get the product remains same even we change their grouping of binomials. Now first question of this exercise, we have to find the product of these binomials. The first part is there 5x plus 3 into 2x plus 4. In this case, first term is there 5x. We multiply 5x by the second binomial and then second term by the second binomial. 5x into 2x plus 4 plus 3 into 2x plus 4. Now we multiply this 5x with the first term and then with the second term. 5x into 2x as it is, then plus sign 5x into 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2x as well as by 4. So 3 into 2x plus 3 into 4. It is equal to 5 2 is 10 x square plus 5 4 is 20x plus 3 2 is 6x plus 12. Here 20x and 6x have the same variable, means these are the like terms. We can add these. The 20x plus 6x, that is equal to 26x plus 12 as it is and 10x square as it is. So it is the answer of this and the product of these two binomials. The second part is there same as it is. You have to try yourself. Now question number 3 we are doing. Question number 1, the third part is there 2 upon 5a plus b into a square minus 1 upon 5b raised by 2. So in this case, again we multiply the first term with the second binomial and then second term with the binomial second. The first term is there 2 upon 5 into a square minus 1 upon 5b square, that is the second binomial, and then second term plus b into a square minus 1 upon 5b square. It is 2 upon 5a into a square, then plus minus is there 2 upon 5a into 1 upon 5b square, then plus b. We multiplied with the first term as well as with the second term. So v into a square, then minus sign is there, we will write it as such, b into 1 upon 5b square. Now we have to find the product. So a raised to power 1 into a raised to power 2, that is base are same, then parts are added. So a raised to power 3 and 2 upon 5 as it is. 2 upon 5 e raised to power 3 minus, here the coefficients are there, 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. So it becomes 2 upon 25. Means we multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And then a as it is and b square as it is. So it is 25, so 2 upon 25 ab square. Then plus, according to alphabetical order, we will write a square into b minus 1 upon 5, that is the coefficient, into b raised to power 1 plus 2, that is b raised to power 3. So this is the answer, because these all are unlike terms. We can't add or subtract these. It is with a cube, ab square b and b cube. All are different. Now the fourth part of this question number 1 is m square n minus 5 into 6 minus mn square. Again we will multiply the first term with the second binomial and second term with the second binomial. So m square n into 6 minus mn square minus 5, which is the second term, into 6 in minus mn square. In this case, m square n into 6 as it is, and then sign of minus, so m square into n into mn square minus 5 as it is, 5 into 6, and then minus minus plus 5 into mn square. Now we have to multiply. So 6 into 1, that is 6, means we multiply coefficients. So 6 into 1, that is 6, and m square into n. 1 is not given here. 1 is always there as the coefficient with the variable when there is no number is there. And then minus sign as it is, m square into m, that is m raised to power 3, n into n square, that is n raised to power 3, minus 5 6 are 30, plus 5 mn square as it is. All these terms are unlike terms. It is constant term, there is no variable. It is m square n term, m cube n cube term, m n square. So all are different. So we can't add these again. The next part, question number 1, fifth part, 4x square plus 7 by cube into 3x by minus 2 by square. In this case, we multiply the first term with the second and second term with the second as it is. Now 4x square into 3x by minus sign 4x square into 2 by square plus 7 by cube into 3x by minus sign is there, again 7 by cube into 2 by square. Now we multiply the coefficients. 4 3s are 12, x square into x, that is x raised to power 3, and by as it is, minus 4 2s are 8, x square by square, 7 3s are 21, x by raised to power 3 and by raised to power 1, which is equal to by raised to power 4, minus 7 2s are 14, by raised to power 3 into by raised to power 2, that is equal to y raised to power 5. So these are unlike term and we cannot add these or subtract these. Now the last part of this question is 1.1x plus 2.7 by into 1.1x minus 2.7 by. Again we multiply the first term with the second and second term with the second binomial as it is. Now first term monomial with the first term, that is 1.1 into x into 1.1 x, then sign of minus 1.1 x into 2.7 by plus 2.7 by into 1.1 x minus sign 2.7 by into 2.7 by. It is equal to 11 11 से 121, तो decimal comes after 2 digit. So it is 1.21 x square minus 2.97 x by plus 2.97 x by minus, when we multiply these, so 7.29 by square. In this case, these both terms are same but with opposite sign, so we can cancel these. So what we will get, 1.21 x square minus 7.29 by square. So this is the first question in which we have done first 6 part. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.